Okay, let's see profit and loss. So you are buying an item for X rupees, that will be the cost price. And if you are selling, that will be the selling price. So obviously profit will be selling price minus cost price. Suppose you are buying for 50 rupees and selling it for 40 rupees, then you are incurring a loss. So the loss will be cost price minus selling price. Okay. And suppose you are buying for 50 rupees and selling for 60 rupees, your gain is 10 rupees, right? And what is the gain percentage? So in 50 rupees, 10 is how much percentage? In 50 rupees, 10 is how much percentage? This is what you have to do. So gain divided by cost price into 100. Similarly, loss will be your loss divided by cost price upon 100. So this will be the loss percentage. So these are important things. Okay, now if you are given selling price, how to calculate the selling price from the gain percentage, right? So so your selling price, your gain is basically, your selling price will be your cost price plus cost price into gain percentage, which is gain divided by 100, right? So this will be cost price into 1 plus gain by 100. This is usually selling price, right? Selling price, cost price plus cost price, G percentage of cost price, right? This is the gain percentage. Okay, this is the gain, right? So this is not the gain. Actually, this is the gain percentage. Suppose if it is can be 5%, 6%, right? So that will be 5 by 100. Okay. Now, so this will be so if you get the thing, this will be cost price into, if you cross multiply 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100. Okay. So this is the selling price. This is what is here. 100 plus gain percentage. This is not the actual gain, right? Suppose, what is the gain percentage? Suppose you are buying for 100 rupees and selling for 20 rupees. Suppose you are selling for, you are buying for 80 rupees and if you are selling for 100 rupees, your gain is 20 rupees. But gain percentage is, gain is actually 20 rupees. Gain percentage will be, how much percentage is 20 in 80? Okay, into 100. So this will be, right, this will be okay, this is 2 now 4 times, this is 10, again 2 now 5 times, this is upon 2 and this is again 5. So this is 25 percentage. Gain is 20 and but the percentage is 25 percentage. So in the formula what you are seeing here is actually the percentage. So if you are given cost price and gain percentage, you can find the selling price. Right? You need not, don't remember this formula. You are given gain percentage and cost price, right? You have to find the selling price. So cost price plus gain percentage of cost price, right? This will be the selling price. How much gain you have, this is how much gain you have got, right? Gain percentage of cost price will give you how much gain you have got. If you add to the cost price, you will get the selling price. So with this, you can derive formula. So you need not remember all these things. And this applies to all this cost price, right? You don't come up with this formula. See, if you have a gain percentage, right, how will you find the cost price? Cost price will be, you take this cost price, this right? Cost price, take it 1 plus G by 100, right? Then if you take an LCM, this will be cost price into 100 plus G by 100. Right? This will be selling price. You need the cost price. What you have to do? Take this 100 this side. This will be 100 into selling price. Divided by, become denominator 100 plus gain percentage. And that is what is here. So don't remember, try to remember this formula. It's easy to derive. So easy to derive formula, don't remember it. You will anyway forget it. Right? Have the basic concept and do it while doing the sums. Okay. And suppose if you are selling an article for a gain of 35 percentage, the selling price will be 135 percentage of cost price, right? It's very simple, right? What is the selling price? Cost price plus gain percentage, right? So this will be 35 percentage of cost price. This will be a selling price, right? So this will be what? If you take cost price common, right? 1 plus 35 by 100. If we take LCM, this will be cost price into 100 plus 35, 135 by 100. So this is 135% of selling price. Similarly, if you sell it at a loss of 35%, it will be your selling price will be 65% of cost price. Okay. So here, when a person sells two similar items, right? Two items he is selling. Let's take it is A, similar items. A and A is selling. One time he sells, he makes a gain of X percentage. Next time he sells, right, he makes a loss of X percentage. Which means he has bought 100. He bought 100 rupees worth item A. One time he sold, he gets a gain of he's selling it for 105, gain of 5%. Other time he's selling at a price of 95 or something, right? Then and the other at a loss of X percentage. 5%. Then the seller will always incur a loss. Okay. Right, that loss will be common gain or percentage, which is X, right? By 100 into square. Okay, that is this. You better to remember it. Okay, and this is a false weight formula. Suppose a trader, right, is selling his goods, but he used false weights. Instead of half kg, right, half kg is 500 grams. Instead of 500 grams, he is using only 400 grams. So he will give you less vegetables only to you. That means he is making a gain. So what is the gain? This is error. How much is the error here? 100 is the error. So 100 divided by true value. What's the true value? 500. 500 minus error 100 into 100%. So this is the formula for that.